2022 Toyota Sienna. So I thought this case was down lower and more against the quarter panel it was hit. It was in an accident and it's being replaced, but they don't have to remove it. The battery's back here. This is your heater core and air conditioning. And you can see here's the water drain line for your condensate going down out of the vehicle right there. Your actuators. You can see the blower where it takes in from the side of the case. When you have the cover or the internal panels on here, you can see the vents where they have the little louvers for the air to come in. As you can see right here, the two equal size lines that are about 5/8 of an inch, those are your heater core lines. So this is your heater core going here in this direction right here. That's your heater core. Your air conditioning, let's see where our lines are. Here's our lines right here. And where's the expansion valve? The expansion valve, well, I guess the expansion valve might be up in there. Never taken one of these apart, but that's your liquid line. That's your suction. Let's see, can you see my finger? Okay, that's your liquid line. That's your suction return line. And the case, I am not sure where the case is sitting, in what direction it is in here. Interesting finish here. So this must be a drop resistor, and this is heat dissipate. This is made out of aluminum right here. This isn't plastic. Here's all your fins that dissipate the heat. And what do we got here? This is your drip tube from your sliding glass from the top of the vehicle, your moonroof. And this is where the drip tube comes all the way down and out the back to get rid of water that forms in the top of your moonroof. So we got our insulated suction line because they don't want it to condensate inside the vehicle and drip water and cause rust on the inside. Another fuse box. Interesting. Now see, it's stuff like this that you can add. If you could go to a junkyard and you go to something like a Sienna or any other vehicle, pick parts or whatever, and you get a second unit like this, and you can modify it and put it in the back of almost any vehicle, some quarter panels, or behind the seat in a trunk. And if you could pick one up for cheap, you can tee into your existing air conditioning and put a second evaporator inside your vehicle. Sound like a good idea? And if you want to upgrade, you can oversize your front condenser so it can handle the extra heat load, because you have the extra BTU capacity. So if you had a small car and you lived in a place that's always 110, 120 degrees, this is what you would want to do, is add one of these in your car. All right, see you guys.